hiccup, if it is recurrent, then it is a matter of concern, because hiccup can be because of any reason, from brain to throat to chest infection to your GI tract or even low sodium. So if you have intractable, that is severe hiccup, then we have to see a doctor, investigate it in all angles and treat it properly.